Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titignan natin kung ano yung blessings na parating sa inyo ngayong Jupiter in Gemini transit. So, isang taong transit to, no? From May 2024 to June 2025. Ayan, because Jupiter is the planet of abundance, prosperity, blessings, good fortune, good luck. Ayan. So, if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pin comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang kung gusto nyo magpa-book for a private reading. Ayan. So, for you, Aries, itong Jupiter in Gemini transit will happen in your third house of communication, siblings, social media. So, medyo maraming ganap for you. If you are into social media, halimbawa ikaw ay content creator or social media influencer, or kung yung trabaho mo ay related sa social media management, no? So I feel like there will be a lot of opportunities for you. Pwedeng may mga collaboration with others. I feel like mas magiging ano sa iyo ngayon, swerte yung mga digital products or uh, work from home or anything related to technology. And I feel like you will be expressing more about yourself. Mas magiging open ka, mas magiging authentic ka. Kumbaga, ito yung time na hindi ka na mahihiya, no? To show yourself to the world, to be that person that you really want to be. Kasi minsan, 'di ba, na meron tayong mga gustong gawin, may mga plano tayo. You also want to be in front of the camera, pero nahihiya tayo for some reasons. But now I feel like you will not care about it kung ano yung perception ng ibang tao sa inyo. Ang importante is yung pananalig mo sa sarili mo, yung tiwala mo sa sarili mo. Okay? So, if you are going to be more collaborative, no? Yung tipong you will be more open sa mga new friends, new connections, ganyan. Some of you will also be studying, no? Pwedeng meron kayong opportunity to learn new things. Pwedeng short courses, online courses that will improve your knowledge, no? So, for example, you are into graphic design or gusto mong subukan yung virtual assistants or anything, a job that is you can do sa internet. So, kumbaga, you want to have that skill, gusto mong matutunan yon. So, syempre, kailangan mo siyang pag-aralan. Pwede itong yung sarili mong self-study, no? You're going to do your own research, or may mga short courses dyan online na you can purchase na in a minimal amount. Yung iba naman, meron tayong YouTube University. Maraming nagsishare ng knowledge and skills nila sa YouTube or any platform. So, it's about learning for you. Meron din ditong short distance travel. So, pwedeng you will be traveling to some places during this transit. Mga, let's say, sa iba't ibang local, domestic travels for you. Like, pupunta ka so you're from Luzon, pupunta ka sa Visayas, from Visayas, pupunta ka Mindanao, things like that. Or, marami ka lang kailangan asikasuhin during this time that will require you to travel and meet new people. Kasi meron tong trine sa Pluto, which is in your 11th house of your community, no? So, yung iba sa inyo, you will be part of a community na meron kayong pare-parehong interest, no? Let's say, mahilig ka sa mga sasakyan, so you will enter a group, no? So, join a group na car enthusiast, yung mga ganon. So, anything na very much interested ka, you're interested in science, you're interested in technology. So, yun yung sasamahan mo. Pwedeng online or pwede rin namang like face-to-face na group meetings together. Kasi part yan ng ng ating social experiences, no? To be more social, to meet new people. Kasi kapag mas marami kang kakilala, mas marami rin yung potential na magkaroon ka ng mas maraming opportunities. Okay? So, sabi nga, your network is your net worth. So, I feel like you're going to network during this transit. Yung iba naman sa inyo, maaring meron din kayong mga gagawing outreach program, like you will volunteer para tumulong sa isang foundation na merong cause na gustong-gusto mo. So example, you want to help yung mga bata, no? So you will join those mga foundations, charitable institutions para matulungan sila, or anything that will add value or help the community around you. Okay? So if you are also interested in politics or be part of governance, no, government, pwede rin meron kang mga sasalihang mga communities that will help you in achieving that dream, no? Yung tipong gusto mong maging SK chairman, barangay captain, or sa national level, things like that. So you will be more out there, connecting with more people. Okay, let's see what else. Oo, may mga leadership role din sa inyo ngayon, Aries. You have the, wow, 9 of Cups. May mga parties ka na attenan. And I feel like, kung ikaw yung tipong medyo na-restrain, kumbaga, hindi ka, parang napipigilan ka before na lumabas, to go out, to meet new people, I think ngayon, you will appreciate being out. Kumbaga, being out there and meeting new friends, new people. And there's also wish fulfillment. So, maaring kung meron ka mga goals related to your career or yung mga gusto mong ma-achieve para sa iyong studies, sa learning mo, you will definitely achieve that during this transit. You have the 4 of Wands. So, this is stability in your home life and your family life. There is a celebration. Kumbaga sa inyo ngayon, Aries, mapapaligiran kayo ng maraming tao. Maaring dahil member ka ng isang grupo or ikaw mismo, no, you are looking for your soul family na kung saan pare-pareho rin kayo ng interest and you will learn from them, they will learn from you. You have the Fool. Wow. So this is freedom. I feel like you are also going to take some risks. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng bubukod, no? Kung nakatira ka pa sa family mo, sa parents mo, pwedeng aalis ka dyan para i-explore pa yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin sa buhay nang walang nakikialam sa'yo. Oo. So, some of you medyo, magiging risk taker. It's about enjoying your freedom. You have the Ace of Swords. Meron ka mga creative na ideas, no, during this transit that will help you, improve your communication skills or your community. So, yung iba, meron kayong mabubuo na isang community that will help you or support you achieve your goals and your dreams. You have the Death card, so definitely transformation for you. There is an ending. There's also a new beginning for you. I feel like yung iba sa inyo, itong new beginnings na to is like a new home, a new living situation, more of freeing yourself and more on freedom. You have the 4 of Pentacles. So, some of you, mas marami rin kayong may ipon during this transit. I feel like mas magiging maingat kayo sa pagmamanage ng inyong pera, ng inyong finances. You will be focusing more on stability ng iyong finances. You have the Hangman. Meron kang bagong perspective sa buhay, no? Especially sa pag-handle ng iyong mga properties, ng pera mo, no? So, for you, ngayon gustong-gusto mo na maging stable yung situation mo, especially financially, you want to be more independent, na walang nakikialam sa buhay mo. I also see you starting your own business. Maaring sa real estate business ito or sa digital business like online selling, nasa digital platform ka, or it's also a job that pwede mong magawa anywhere you are, no? Parang digital nomad yung style na Pwede ka magtrabaho kahit nasa bakasyon ka. It's like you are your own boss, and at the same time, meron kang network that helps you achieve yung mga goals mo sa buhay. Okay? So, napakaganda ng energies for you ngayong transit na to. Jupiter and Gemini for you, Aries. So, this is your time to explore and at the same time, increase your finances, increase your income. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye.